Sir,
Yes.
Sir, turn
sir,
no, sir. Live caption.
Now I am not knowing that much how to turn live caption. Okay. And
Sir,
it is not
actually, sir.
required live caption. It is not required because these classes are being taken by for students only. Okay. So why other school student will watch live itself? Okay. So they can watch, of
Sir,
course. If
live caption means sir, what you will speak that will be written, sir, down. That is.
okay.
Subtitles.
Then how
There
it
will be
will be open
subtitles.
live captions?
Sir, three dot you click no, sir. There it is.
Three dot. Okay. These facilities are also there. Where
Sir,
turn
sir,
on
down, sir.
live
and sir,
caption. Yes.
sir,
So
you have
now
sent
what
a
I am
long
speaking that
division
will be
method two times in sir parents alarm.
what I had sent two types.
Sir, that
Long division
long
method.
division
Yes.
method.
Yes.
Yes,
Once
sir.
while I was teaching in A, then that would be, and once of teaching in B. Yes. Now it is showing. Okay, in live caption. Was will speak what? That it will be shown. Okay.
How, sir, you are doing this?
Just now. Okay. Samrat has said.
But sir, we are not having
Yes,
that
sir. You have clicked on
option.
live caption no, sir.
Previously,
Yes.
Sir,
we
one
were
time
What
show
having.
na,
we will
sir.
be speaking that it will be written.
Sir, one time show na.
One time
Live
show.
caption, sir. Their
Let's
option
see.
given, sir. Turn on live
There
caption.
there is turn off. Now it is earlier when I had not on, then there was turn on. Okay. So now let's move towards the questions. If you have got any doubt till example 1 or before, then you can ask. Nor then I will be explaining exercise. Okay, sorry, example 21. Okay.
Explain sub 21.
So in example 21, it has been just said. What it has been said? It has been said that find the smallest number that must be subtracted from 853.456 to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of perfect square thus obtained. So of course you read the question properly. Sometimes what happens, a student thinks that only it has been said to find the smallest number which can be subtracted to make perfect square. No, after that also it has been asked. Also you have to find the square root of that number which you get after subtracting that smallest number from this number. Okay. So if you will see what it has been said, we first place bar over the integral part. Do you know what integral parts means? Integral part means integer, which is in integer. This is integral part 853, and after that others becomes decimal part, because after that this is after point. So it is, you can say, decimal fraction part. Fractional parts also we can say that. So 853 it is paired, of course, as I had said after before point, it is paired by making 2 from last, and after point it is from first only it is pairing. If it is not pairing last, then you can keep 0 over there. In point, okay, notes it has been given at the top. I think yesterday I had explained you. Yes, this, that if the number of decimal digit is odd, a 0 is affixed in the end of the number, and thus the even number of decimal places is obtained. Like over here you can see, here also it has been kept 0. Okay, there are 3 decimal digits in given number. We add a 0 on extreme right. Of course we can add only in extreme right, we can't write it like 0.056. No, that will become wrong.
Sir, can I ask one question?
Yes, of course.
From outside.
Outside. Okay, then after explaining this example, okay, let me explain this example, then you will be asking. Okay. So just see, here it has been paired. After pairing, what we will do? Of course, we will do long division method, and paired wise it will be divided. Yes.
Understands.
Yes.
So understand it, sir.
Okay, understood. Okay. So now with 2 to the 4, okay, it goes while subtracting it came 4 over here, then 53 next pair. As I had said earlier also, pair wise it is coming down, not a single number. So 53 came down. Now what you have kept over here, the same number should be added. Of course it is not showing over here in example, but you should add the same number. 2 plus 2, it will become 4. And now after 4, that number you will keep which you are going to multiply. So of course you will check with 4, 8, it will come a smaller. 4, 9, of course that is also a smaller, but we can't keep 10. That also remember, you have to keep only one digit number from 0 to 9. Of course we can keep 0 if it is required, like sometimes it may come that after bringing the both the numbers also it becomes a smaller only, then in that case we will keep 0. Getting it? So with 9 it became 441 and subtracted, then came 12. Now if you will see, after that the other pair is after points 1, so we will keep our here point, then we will bring the other pairs, and of course again here 9 will be added. 49 plus 9, it is 58. Now whatever the number you will be keeping over here, with the same you have to multiply. So if you will keep 1, that will become less than 600. 2, then it is coming less than 1200. Of course if you will keep 3, then it will become less than 1800, that will be bigger. So with 2 it has been applied over here. Again subtracted, came 81 over here, and the last pair, that is 60, came down. Okay, now whatever you will be keeping over here, with the same you have to multiply. If you will keep 2, then of course it will be less than 12,000, but it is only 8,000. So of course with 1 only you have to apply, and with 1 it has been applied, and this becomes the remainder, because after that there is no pair. So now if you will remove this remainder, then it will be exact square number. So, and these 4 digits are of these decimal places. So from decimal places, this 2319 should be subtracted. So it becomes 0.2319. When we are subtracting, what we will watch? From last that much digit you will watch. Okay. So here it has been said, we can see that 853.456 is not a perfect square, since we are left with remainder 2319 while doing long division method, long division. Okay, so if we subtract 0.2319 from the number, we will get a perfect square, and of course that it has been subtracted, and after subtracting what comes, that it has been written, and its square root is 29.21. Of course from here itself we can write 29.21. Here for verifying, once again it has been done. Without doing this also you can write it. Without doing, once again you can write it. Got it? Here after subtracting what number gave and got, and what after that when divided, of course it will come 0, that it has been solved. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes. So what Sudhanshu was saying, yes, say Sudhanshu, what was your problem? Sudhanshu, I think he is not there. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, say
I
that.
sent in your WhatsApp. Sir,
Okay, you
A
had
not,
sent.
sir. B number, sir.
B number, okay.
Yes, sir. A not.
A not, B number. So what is there? Find the value of X. If 1369 root plus, what you are writing? This question is not clear itself. 1369, and in middle there is blank. Yes.
Yes, sir. I also didn't understand.
This is root under 0.0615, is it? What is the, one blank, two blank, or minus sign is there, then after three blank is there?
Root under 1369 plus root under 0 point.
Okay, you simply say, I'll be writing over here, root under 1369. Yes, 1369.
Yes, sir.
Plus
Sir, plus root under 0.0615
0.0615
plus x
plus x
equal to
is equal to
37.25.
37.25. And of course, you will find the root of these, okay? By long division method, you can find the root of 1369, okay? And then you will be solving like this, okay? 2 pair it will be formed. 3 3 are 9. So 4 will be coming down, 69. 3 3 it will be added, it will come 6. 9 is there, so I think, okay, with 7 only it will go. 7 7 are 49. Carry 4 and 7 6 are 42 and 4 46. So exactly it is going. So 67 will be our air. And in same way, when you will just find the root of this 0.0615, okay, then here also what it will happen with 0, okay, first one is 0, so at first it will be 0 only. Let's not write that, directly we can write over here 0 point, okay, and if we will keep, okay, 2 decimals over here, so here also what will happen, with 2 to the 4 it will be
Sir,
coming.
it answer will come, sir, 0.001.
And 1 5 it is, okay, let's see. 2 it will be added, it will come 4 and 5 is there, so I think for getting 5 you have to keep 5 itself. Then what will happen? 5 5 is 25, carry 2 and 4 5 is 20, okay, so 22 it should come. It is not a perfect square root itself. 0.615 is not the perfect square root. Okay, if we will keep 5, then it will become bigger.
Sir, I asked from one book, sir, Person Math.
Okay, so, okay, Pearson math, okay. So,
Pearson
I
math.
think there should be 2. For being a perfect square, there should be 2. Then it will become 0.25. If there is 1, then it will not be a perfect square. So, by rounding up, I am keeping over here 0.25. Okay, and then after plus x, so it will be subtract, this is equal to 37.25, so it will become 67.25, and while subtracting, what will happen, x will come how much, from this 40, yes, no 40 not 30, when it 67.25 will go that side, then it will be subtracted and it will come 30. So is 30 the answer given over there? Yes, Sudhanshu? Sudhanshu, can you listen to me?
No, sir.
Not? What is the answer then?
0.001.
0.001.
Sir.
Then anywhere you might have said wrong only. Question is this only, root under 1369 plus root under 0.0615 plus x is equal to 37.25. Is it? If this is the question,
Sir, wait, I am telling sir again. Sir,
okay,
root
okay,
under
okay.
1 thing.
Sorry,
Sir.
here it was 37. Yes, your answer is right. Sorry. Here root under 1369, it will become 37. And when you will apply over here, of course, it will come. If it is a Pearson, then we will be applying with 4 itself. I have just done rounding. So it will become 4 for the 16, carry 1, and 4 for the 16 and 1 17. Yes. So it will come. What you are saying, that will come the answer. That is only the right answer. So over here it will become how much? It will come down as 15 minus 6, it will become 9. And then after, here it will be 3. And this will be cancelled, so 39. So leave it, that is remainder. So rounding up, not doing, and directly we will be writing here 0.24. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what will happen when 37.024
No, sir,
it
not
will
getting
become?
anything.
Then it will become 0.01. That is only the answer, yes? So just see, now here it was, the root was 37, not 67. By mistake I had written 67 over there. 37 is over here, and here the root will become 0.24. So 37 plus 0.24 will become how much? 37.24. And when it will be subtracted from 37.25, then how much it will become? It will become 0.01.
Sir, answer is 0.0010.
0010.
0.
That means we have to divide over here up to 4 digits then. Like it came over here, then again 20 it will come, 4 it will be added. Okay.
Sir, we have to divide this one by 1,000, sir, no?
1000 up to
Yes,
4
sir,
decimal
because
places.
this,
If you need answer up to 4 decimal places, then two more times you have to divide it. Okay, and when you will divide 2 more times, then it is 3900 over here. So if we will keep 9 for the 36, okay, 9 9 is 81, and then after again 9 is 72. Okay, so it will not be, with 9 it will become bigger. So let's see with 48. 48. Okay, 488 into 8, 8 is the 64, carry 6, and 8 is the 64 and 6, 70, and 4 8 is the 32 and 7, 39. That is also becoming bigger. So with 7 we will be applying. Here we will be writing 7. So then if we are taking 7, then that is wrong. Your answer what was there?
Sir, 0.0010.
10. No, that's wrong then. When we will be keeping 8 over here, then it will become 3, sorry, not 8, 7. Then, okay, it will become 4, 8, 7, 7, 7 is 49, carry 4, and 8, 7 is 56, and 4, 60, carry 6,
And I
and
said solution,
7
sir.
for the 32. Yes, said. So it will become 1, and then after 0, and then after 6. If it is 1 over here, if it is not 2 over here, then this will be the solution. And of course 7 it will be applied. How it will come 1? Solution is also given over there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can send it. I will watch that. And as I can see here, he has also sent, okay, power is over there. Yes, Kunj, 3 raised to the power 4, 3 raised to the power 5, raised to the power 3 by 4. Yes.
Yes, sir, that's problem, sir. How we will, this is of exponent, sir. How we will solve
Okay,
this
so
type
of
of
course you
question?
will add it. Okay,
If
so 3
there
raised to
will
the
be
power 4
power
is
same, then
81,
we can into,
and
sir. But
3 raised to
it
the
is
power
not.
4 is 81, and 3 raised to the power 5 is 243. You will add that, okay, and you will get how much? 81 plus 343. It will become. Just let me raise this up. 243 plus 81, it will become 324 raised to the power 3 by 4 it was, yes. So now you will just prime factorize it, either it is coming in 3 only or not. So 3 2 4, of course 3 2 5, 5 4 9, so with 3 it will go. 3 3 the, okay, 3 1 the 3, then after 0, 3 8 the 24, again with 3, 3 3 the 9, and 3 6 are 18 again with 3, 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6 again with 3, then after it will become 3 4 are 12, so 2 and 2. So what you can do is this will become 324 raised to the power 3 can be written as 3 raised to the power 4 into 2 raised to the power 2 whole square, okay, whole raised to the power 3 by 4. So of course when it will be taken out, it will become 3 raised to the power 4 into 3 by 4, and then after into 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 by 4. Okay, so 4 4 got cancelled, 3 cube is 27, and 2, okay, here 2 to the 4, so 3 by 2 it will become, so 27. You can write cube root also, 3 raised to the power 2 means cube root. No, sorry, 2 below is there.
We can directly add 2 to the power 3, sir. Then it will be 8.
No, and below there is 2 also. So you can write, of course, like this: a square root 2 means a square root 8. This can become the answer. Or even 2 raised to the
We
power
can
3
write
by 2.
2 to the power 2 into 1 by 2, sir.
3 into 1 by 2. That can also be written. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So Sudhanshu, not said solution, send solution. Okay, no problem. We will move further. As we are knowing, of course, we have to move fast towards the solution also. So whenever Sudhanshu will send me the solution, of course, he will be speaking. I'll be watching there. What is the solution of this? And where if mistake it has been done, then where it has been done, that can be checked. Now let's see a square root of rational number. We have already seen how to find the square root of rational number. Of course, numerator square root different and denominator square root differently we can find, okay, and then it will form a square root of rational number. Okay, by using prime factorization we had known. Let us now apply long division method. Of course, here also in numerator long division method different, and in denominator long division method different you can do, or even you can bring it in point, and as we had seen that off point how to do. So here it has been said, consider the following example: find the square root of 74, okay, whole 25 by 4 and 121 by 4. So if you will see, at first what it has been done, this mixed fraction has been changed into improper fraction, and then this improper fraction root it has been found. So of course root of 4761 it has been found separately, and we are knowing 64 root is 8. So of course while finding this it has been found 69. So it becomes 69 by 8, and then again it has been converted into mixed fraction, that is 8 whole 5 by 8. I hope all of you are knowing how to change it into mixed fraction, or mixed fraction how to change it into improper fraction. Are you all knowing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
If
sir.
you are not knowing, of course you can ask. So in this way that becomes, in same way if you will see B, here it has been converted into decimal, and then it has been found. Of course you can find here also separately also, like 11 square is 121 and 2 square is 4, so 11 by 2 also you can write, that will become 5.5. like that also you can do it. Here it has been shown 1 by changing into decimal it has been shown, and another, okay, it has been divided, and then after in decimal change then it has been found by decimal, okay, this. And if you will see alternatively below it has been shown by finding the root of both numerator and denominator separately, and then after solving it. Got this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if anyone is not understanding, of course you should ask me. Now here comes another topic: a square root of a numbers which are not a perfect square. If the numbers are not a perfect square, then how we can find a square root? Of course it will not get the perfect square root also. It will go in decimal, and up to some decimal places we have to leave. Like here it has been said up to 2 decimal places. That means up to 2 decimal you have to find. Like over here 970. Of course 970 is not a square number. So what it has been done over here before point pair it has been formed of 9 and 70. So 3 3 are 9, 70 came down, and of course 3 plus 3 it will become 6. And of course when 2 will be kept, then it will be more than 120, but it is 70 only. So with 1 it has been applied. Again while subtracting came 9, and then after there is 2 more 0, so 2 more 0 it has been kept. After point it was, so point it has been kept, and by keeping 1 only it has been used over here also. Why? Because if it will be 2, then it will be bigger than 900. Getting me?
Yes, sir.
So after that,
Yes, sir.
what it has been left, again 2 0 came, and by keeping 4 it has been found. Okay, because 6 4 is 2400. So by watching with which number it will go, it has been found. Okay, that with 4 it will be divided. So after dividing with 4, what happened? 3004 it has been left as remainder. No need to do further, because only here it has been said correct up to 2 decimal places. So what will happen? Root of 970 will become 31.14. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So now I will be moving towards the next page. Okay. Here again another, it has been said to find the square root of 23.50 up to 2 decimal places. We first add 2 more zeros. Of course here it has been added. Then after it has been found by using a square root method. Is this clear?
Yes.
P number?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
now what we will be doing is I will be moving towards the next text, that is number of digits in the square root of a number. So how many digits can be there in a square root of a number? How to find it? So let's see the process of finding the square root of a square number by long division also help us in finding the number of digits in the square root of the number. Okay. It can be easily inferred that the number of digits in each square root of a number is equal to the number of periods in the number divided into, like how many pairs it has been divided, that all pairs will give the number of digits in quotient. Getting me?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like if you will see, okay, I will come back towards a different page. Here, number of digits in quotient is how much? 4. 3114, like this. After dividing only we are knowing how many digits are there. Okay. Are you all getting me?
Yes, sir.
So okay, it has been said it can be easily inferred that the number of digits in a square root of a number is equal to the number of periods, that I had already read and made you understood also. Of course, as many the numbers of pair we had made, that will be the number of a square root. Thus, if the square has even number of digits, say n, then the number is divided by n by 2. If even number of digits are there, then it should be divided by 2, n by 2. And therefore, the number of digits in the square root will also be n by 2. Okay. After, okay, however, if a square number has odd number of digits, say m is equal to the number of period, it can be divided into, that is m minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to m plus 1 by 2. You see?
I have seen that solution.
Okay. The what happens? Thus the square root of such number will have what solution? That is m plus 1 by 2. Getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So clear? Question number 23.
Yes.
No, sir. Again, can you tell, sir?
Okay.
Yes, sir. One more time.
So just see what it has been said. It has been said to find a square root, is it? Okay, this is the definition, and then after 24 is over here a number. No, simply it has been said, thus the square root of a such number will have m plus 1 by 2 digit. Now if you will see, suppose any number has 3 digits. Suppose it is 169. It has got 3 digits, 169, yes. Three digit means odd numbers, and in odd numbers what it is been said, however the square numbers has odd number of digits, say m, then the number of periods it can be divided into m minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to m plus 1 by 2. What it has been said, if the number is odd, then here also in this question, what number was there? Okay, so I was not saying your question, I was just explaining this only. Okay. However, if a square number has odd number of digits, then in that case what we will do? It will become m minus 1 by 2 plus 1 times m plus 1 by 2. Getting 8? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is, just see, if there is 3 digits, then how many digits will be there? 3 minus 1, that is 2, you can say. 2 by 2 plus 1, and here 3 plus 1, 4, that is 4 by 2 is 2. Okay.
Yes.
So of course it is 2 itself. So it has been said, however the square of odd numbers, we add 1. So what will happen? There, okay. Then the number of period, say m, however the square of a number has odd number of digits, say m. Then of course in odd number of digits, what it has been said, its root will be 1 less, that is 3 digit it is, so half and 1 less, so half, okay, at first 1 less it will be done, then 2, and half of that it will be 1. So 1 digit will be there in a square root, okay, so 3 was there, okay, but it has been said, however a square number of an odd numbers digits, say m, then the number of periods it can be divided into m minus 1 by 2 plus 1 and m plus 1 by 2.
Then now
So,
explain that question.
okay, that also I will be explaining. So what happens, this is the number of digits in a square root. Number of digits in a square root of any number. Like over here 3 digit is there, and in the square root 13 it is 2 digit. Okay, getting it?
Yes.
And in same way, in a square what will happen? It will only become half, not plus 1. that you have to understand. The number of digit becomes half. Here it has been said, thus the square root of such a similar will have m plus 1 by 2 digits. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I will be coming towards Sudhanshu question. Okay, x is also inside only. That's
Yes,
why.
sir.
That's why.
Yes, sir. Because of that, you are getting wrong, sir.
Yes. Here it is plus. That's why there was wrong. So
The one
clear
time
now?
sir.
Here inside the bracket there is plus. If you will see, here inside the bracket there is 0.0615 plus x. All is inside the bracket. X is not outside of the bracket.
Okay, sir.
Got it? So this is the
Yes, sir.
solution. Okay, now as I can see,
Sir, time over.
we are near to the end of time. So what you will be doing is, you will be doing, try this section of page number, how much it is? 49.
49, 49.
49.
Got it?
Yes.
Sir, if
Yes, sir.
completed 3.1, can I send that?
Yes. So now I will be downloading your attendance. Okay. Okay, here it is coming downloading option. Sorry, I forgot. So now I think your attendance has also been downloaded. Yes. Yes. So thank you everyone. Okay, sharing screen also okay should be stopped, and recording should also be stopped. So recording at first I'll be stopping. Where is recording?
And sir, again, you will share this video on Parents Alarm, no, sir?
Yes.